Morning everyone. On my way for my first little solo Muzz trip. Pretty excited, just going out Lake Mac. It's a beautiful morning. I woke up and went, bugger it, going for a quick flick. So lucky I've got a good missus and she lets me, and I'm on my way there, so come along for the adventure. Have a look at that. Oh yeah. Spot. Pretty easy to get the boat in. Let's throw it in over here. Let's see if we can catch some fish. What a morning. Head down to my favourite little spot. See if we can catch something. Test out this new fish finder. I'm pretty excited to see how that works. Wow, the current's going. Look at that. Anyway, let's get into it. One thing I just worked out, I need an anchor. But I found this awesome little spot, literally just sitting in this, just sitting here in this cove. The tide is hammering past, so I'm flicking out here. I know there's fish here because when I've been spearfishing here, I've seen the flathead and little bait fish just running here. So, go for a good flick, see what happens. Hopefully, might get a fish. So, might as well try out a little fish finder. So this is a box that comes in. If I can get it out. Here we go. Instructions. I'm a male, I definitely don't need them. That's the little unit down there. There's the transponder, which says to have that there. Even comes with batteries. I bought batteries, but turns out you don't need them. What else we got in here? Oh, a little mount. Awesome. Look at this. That's cool. I'll be able to put that on later. So, you pull off the cover. Oh, that's satisfying. Batteries just go on the back. Takes 4 batteries. I've already put one in wrong. Good. Yeah. That side. Batteries in. That's a good tight seal. Okay. So I've thrown it overboard. It's literally just sitting beside the boat. Turn her on. Straight away it comes up obviously with the depth. I'm pretty sure you should be able to see that. Depth up the top. There are the fish. These are all your little settings. You can put it in like battery save mode and fish alarm and things like that. Fish alarm I found a little bit annoying when you're hovering over bait fish. You hold it for 5 seconds and it goes into flashing all the modes. Then you hit setup to go through the modes. So enter. There's the fish alarm. So every time there's a fish, the alarm goes off. I'm going to turn that off. 3, 4, 5. Starts flashing. And there you go. It's a pretty simple unit to use. I'm pretty stoked with it actually. So there's fish over the side and it's reading them straight away, so that's pretty impressive. I'm pretty stoked with that. What a great little unit. Tells you your meters and everything. So you literally just pop it over the side and you're good to go. Absolutely unreal. Get that from here, Fishy. A couple $100 and absolutely unbelievable. Like, what an awesome little unit. Now, let's see if it's going to help me fish. So it turns out I should just leave this thing running because I just dropped the biggest flatty. Unbelievable. I'm going to set this up and I'm going to go drifting again because that was, oh my god, I can't believe I just did that. Anyway, put you guys up here. There you go. Sometimes you just got to know when to give up. There you have it, guys. No fish, unfortunately, this time. Check out the Nighthawk fish finder. I'll put the link in the description below. Anyone chasing merchandise, put it up the right way. I'll put the link below as well. I've got a few things out now, which is awesome. So I appreciate the support. Give us a thumbs up, and I'll bring you a new video real soon. Have a good one.